residence with the biggest park and something else. So he make his dinner here in these mountains. So but this is Khar. ये खार क्यों है नहीं, ये तो वो है दूसरा खार है, वो क्या नाम है उसका भी इसके साथ तो लिंक है, वो खार फैमिली जो है. So this place called Khar. I don't know the Khar family had any relation with this place or not, but it's called Khar. So from here you can go Fort Madhu, and if you will go straight, then you will go Multan and Dijira. So here are some container made houses. I don't know why. Maybe it's a company. Fort Madhu Development Authority, Dijira. It's a school. Government Girls Elementary School. It's elementary. Oh no. It's a very little. Really, it's a very beautiful scenes here, you can see. But it's not stone hills. These are all salt hills. Maybe there will be some stones in these hills, but yes, beside you can see the stone, big stone. Top. So now we are on the top of the hill. No, but it's a hilltop garden. I think there is a canal. Maybe there is a good picnic point here. Islamic I think there will be a lake. कोई झील है इधर? ये तस्वीर दी हुई थी ना. So this road is under construction. These people are working on the road. We should salute them because in autumn, in hot, they are working here for us. It's really a very beautiful scenes we can see here, and you know the good atmosphere here, not hot. So guys, you can see the clouds touching the hills, top of the hills. We can see even I think the clouds are down in the. Oh, Alhamdulillah, 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 Allahu Akbar. माशाअल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह. ये देखिए, ये है कुदरत के नज़ारे. हाँ. This is also like a wall. You can see it's beautiful cutting. Allah Akbar. Oh, देखो यार. Look, that cutting is exact wall. Yes. Really, that's a very beautiful scene. Now we are going downside. Yeah.
نحن جاپانيان جوليا وا
Well, mixed.
جنايات جاپانيان
Well, یو سامان راوړي یو نقشه وکړي. Oh, beautiful. Really, it's a beautiful. MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
अभी इतनी बारिश हुई है
हाँ जी. It's a good construction, piece of construction. From here you can see it's cutting. The engineers do a good job.
area
Because this area is in DG district. We came from that bridge. वो सांप वगैरह भी खा जाता है.
ये बहुत छोटा रोड है.
एक गाड़ी की जरूरत
ये नट बोल्ट किस लिए? ऊपर वाले को हाँ? हाँ। हाँ, तो इतने पैसों में वहाँ 4 किलोमीटर सड़क बन जाती है हमारे इलाके में। जो ये कौन our engineers. I think it's a very good job they are working for people. है ना? So I will specially invite the foreigners to come here in Pakistan. There are many places to visit and you will see the natural beauty you will never seen before. I will recommend many places in Pakistan like this. This is the DG Khan area. So there are many hundreds places, thousands places like this. Look, it's a very beautiful place. And you know, on the top of this hill, there's a good picnic point. There's a lake. You can enjoy there. There are hotels and full security. ये बहाउद्दीन ज़िक्रिया यूनिवर्सिटी मुल्तान की बस है जो ये पिकनिक दे आर गोइंग यस दिस इज BZU ट्रांसपोर्ट बहाउद्दीन यूनिवर्सिटी बस दे आर गोइंग ऑन दैट टॉप ऑफ द हिल ऑन lake to enjoy to celebrate the picnic. So guys, you can see from here, I really never seen that before, the scenes like this. I go to Turkey, I go to Iran, and I go to KSA, but I never seen like this. Look, it's a really natural beauty. I think there is no place like this. These are the examples of Pakistani engineers. They have made a beautiful and concrete strong bridges in these hills for the people to go easy and fast. Really, it's imaginary work. क्या चीज बना दी है यार. Some people have told the peoples that there is some security risk in Pakistan. I assure you there is no any security risk in Pakistan. Anytime anybody can come and move anywhere. So this is a natural abstract beauty. Look. Allahu Akbar. Yes. Oh my God. Can you imagine it? Can you imagine it? How beautiful is this? Look, we are going under. It's a big hill.